Harare. As you can see, Tirimuna Robert Mugabe. Streets are a little bit empty. Yeah, as you can see, this is Robert Mugabe way. It's a little bit empty. I'm walking towards the central business district to the side of the post office. Yes. Alright. Alright. By this time, Nasi maida matriki mangani kubva Kutanga. Ku location Mabakupi. Mabvuku. Ai kuri sei zvako. Alright. Yatimboona kuti zvakamira sei muCBD. Thanks baba. Alright. Andika mazvita. Right, these are some of the combi drivers giving us also their thoughts on what is happening. As you can see, I am in the CBD. I'm getting closer to Joina City. A lot of shops are closed. Shops mazhinji akavharwa. This side, the shops are also closed. There is nothing that is happening here. You can see people here, they are just walking in the streets. There's no action. There is a heavy police presence, as I said in my other update. Yeah, so that's what is happening right now. I'm approaching Speak and this is Speak and Ines Therese. Yeah, close to Joina City. Just few people are on the street. No action, no skirmishes so far. That footbridge is literally empty. There's no one. Earlier on I spoke to my combi drivers. Bakandito hapana kutori no my customers. So as you can see, there's a few people on the road. Footbridge hero, as you can see, hakuna. Only few shops are open. This side, as you can see, that side, normally on a normal day, it will be open, but it's all closed. So I'm approaching Jason Moyo to see if I can talk to a few individuals. Please support JCTV Africa. The details are in the description. Support independent journalism. Just for you to be clear, I went to the dispo at the police station to just get clearance. But yeah, I got the clearance to come and shoot in the CBD. So this is a live update from Harare. People of Zimbabwe, this is what is happening. It's a bit cloudy. Magetsi ariko. Yes, let me just put in the right. You can put your comments here. Right. You can put your super chats here. It is. Alright, this is Jason Moyo. Sorry for the interruption. This is Jason Moyo, close to Joina City. As you can see, This is also part of Jason Moyo coming up from 4th Amanavan CBD. You can see most shops here are closed. Shop mazhinji akavhara. Shop mazhinji akavhara vanhu havamo mutown. Adiko chibaba. I don't want to talk on camera. Hello. What do you say? Yeah, what do you say? Yeah, what do you say? Right, this is the part of the CBD. This is Zimpost. Normally this area will be full of people. Vanenge vachitaura kuti tochinja here, totengesa makabata chii, but it looks like there is no one here. Looks like there is no one here. This is just a little bit far away. There is the townhouse there. I don't know if I can zoom. I can't zoom from here. But this is the townhouse. So no action so far. Looks like everything is still calm. This is Joina City, right? This is ZBC. I think they are also streaming like I'm doing. Right, here we go. ZBC guys. Alright. So I'm walking towards Nelson Mandela, and I'm in Ines Terrace. I'm going to go into the downtown and give you updates as they come. I want to see if I can talk to people on the streets and they tell me what they think. Hello. Hey, Murise. Makasun go to camera here. Oh. All right. It's fine. Yeah. Vanish badness ma windy ma driver. I know they are. Right. Should you say Sage Baba? How are you? How's it? Good. We're live. Can you talk on? How are you? Good. Yeah. What do you say, Abu? Good. Hasn't got out of a camera? No. See here, people are not so fond. This is George Sulundika towards First Street. There is still no one here. Still very empty. Yeah, as I can, police presence almost everywhere. You can see from where I am here, there are police. Every corner there is police, but there are very few cars in town. Hey, Mudotora. What do you say? Good. We are off. It's about the moment. Hey, we will not say. Achimoxin. We're going to talk in the border. Achimoxin. All right, but to also remove the Shananaga, on the release. All right, okay. Gabasha and the Vananga protest. I see Pashegation, Pasheg violence. At the end of the day, let's say a petition that is material machine and destroy that's the peaceful. You can the peaceful I think pass over. So Shanti, yeah, and Saga no Garamba, you think it is a punishment. Because of no time, otherwise, you know how to be one on Arumba. Keep safe. Mine is on all good. I want to look behind I watch over. Traffic to Alright. Kuna mashops akavhara. It's good to variable. Alright. Zimpost one akavhara. Century more. No. You post to see akavhara. Alright. Pandruwa nakavana unoshandira mu Century more. Moment.
Vanhu vese kunatsa vhanaisa havachiseteni zvonese.
Alright. Vanenge vachityira zvinhu zvavo.
Uno stoka yakwe 200 inodiwa yese. Unolutwa. Stoka yakwe 1000 inolutwa yese wagoni.
Hapana.
Saka better kuve safe.
Alright.
Kunasi wamana zvakamira sei kuma 10 11 wakana zvakandai wovhura.
Yeah.
Okay.
Handiti.
So that's okay.
Alright. Saka muri kuti vanhu ngavauye kubasa.
Anongoshandika unongodzana. Ivo vaina vakatoti demonstration havamboti musauye kubasa.
Handiti.
Vakati wendi tinomacha.
Handiti.
Kumacha netine nekuzovhara mabasa akasiyana.
Zvakasiyana. Chamusingati ndechoti vanhu vazogumisira vakuluta.
Kusoma nokurechi. Asi demonstration yakanaka baba kuti inofanira kuteerwa ndozvichemo zvevanhu.
Handiti.
Plus chandakaona vanhu zvimwe zvavanozvitira nzira dzakasiyana. March nedemonstration zvinhu zvakasiyana.
Alright.
Demonstration ndeyekuti vanhu vanoda kufanya mabuildings kuita sei, but march vanhu vanenge vachingotaura zvavari kuda
marights avo. Mapetiens avo vachisiya uko nyosiya maitosiya.
Handiti. Right. Ndizvo kamuri yeZimbabwe tiri pano tiri muna Ines Terez naNelson Mandela ndovatatarisana naye. Ndiri kutaurawo nedzimwe hama dzangu dziri panapa. Town ichiri very calm. Alright. Muri seiko chibaba? Muda kutaura here? Hamuda kutaura. Iri bo, thanks. Right.
Keep safe guys. Dai vanhu kwavo kudzimba musaroke musaite noise.
Musapwanye mapremises evanhu, mabuildings, musalute, musatore zvinhu zvevanhu zvaingove machisina.
Shandirai mhuri zvabvonzi zvayaishata kasike kutiza muende kumba.
Handiti.
Nokuti munhu oda kuita mahati.
Right, thank you so much. Muri pa JCTV Africa. JCTV Africa munoziona pa YouTube live update yacho. Alright, thanks. Right, these are some of the people who are CBD. Vachitipo pfungwa dzavo. The situation is very, very calm. No sign of any protest or any gathering. I'm now in Nelson Mandela and Ines Terez. This side is also calm. There is nothing that is happening there. So basically, the town, you can say it's literally empty compared to normal working days. There is no activity that we can talk about. As I said, this is Century Mall. It's closed. And they are also cautious, like what the other gentleman said. That's what people are afraid. But I'm now in Julius Nyerere and Nelson Mandela. As you can see, this is the street. No one is, like, there's nothing happening here. This is Julius Nyerere. Please support JCTV Africa. The details are in the screen. And please don't use FNB if you want to support the FNB. That account is still on hold, so please don't use that. Just use Kuru Inbox or Epicash to support the channel. So this is Julius Nyerere Street, as I told you. Now I'm going downtown to see if there's any marengi ndabva pana pacharge office anga pasinawo. There was few people that were there. Right, so this is a quick update again. People of Zimbabwe, those who are watching us in the diaspora, that's what is happening. The town is literally quiet. People are just doing their business. Some people have still closed shops. Some people, they are probably afraid if they go into the CBD, panogona kuitika chambanja vanhu vakazogumisira vakuluta. Right, so we haven't heard any word from any organization like Geza, who had promised that Mswa 31 Van SM Street. We haven't heard anything from him. Right now the CBD is pretty much quiet. Ndakwenda pana Rizende na Nelson Mandela. Murisei hapo. Bobo. Not already pa camera. All right, no, it's okay. Murisei. Not already pa camera. All right. Right, Murisei. Chibaba. Murisei. Yeah. Right, tiri parenge pana Rizende ndamboona kuti tingakwanisa kutaura nemadhiraivha here nemakondakta tinzoti vanotowo kudii. Right. As you can see, the ring is literally empty. Right. The ring is literally empty. Pana akasungwa kutaura here zvari kungani nemashanasi.
Munotoona vakomana ava ndo vakomana vacho. Hanzi pana akasunguka here introduce.
Alright. Munokwanisa kutaura. Okay. Alright. Murisei. Alright. Munoti kudiko nezuva ranhasi maafektwa here pabasa renyu sevanhu vanenge vachishandira panapa? Hapana. Okay. Alright. Muda kuti kudii kune vanhu vari kumba maybe vari kuteerera zvinezvi. Muda kuti vati kudii?
Vanhu vasanyokonzwa nenhau yesocial media. Kuda kwavanhu vakangopeswa mapresident rese avo. Ndona zvisina basa rese nokuti hapana nizvozvinhu vacho vapanika nokuti government even the security forces vakasho everybody kuti dzere kumabasa enyu nothing to tell you.
Okay. But constitution yedu inoti izvo vanhu vanokutenderwa kuita protest. Munotiwo kudii kuita sekunge varambidzwa? Munotiwo kudii because vanhu vanotenderwa kuprotesta? Ndavana vanhu vachiprotest against masanctions against. Munoti kudii kana vanhu vakumbira kuita?
It's their right. It's their constitutional right, but in the university that was ready, there's no need to panic.
Alright.
Because the president himself, Akata, is going to step down when the term expires.
Okay.
And right now, I need 3 years. So, what did they panic?
Maindisa mwana uchikoro here nhasi?
Mwana uchikoro aenda kuchikoro.
Alright. Mobva kulocation ipi? Epwet. Situation yakamira sei kuEpwet?
Yeah, it's struggled a little bit in the town. Environment is just like this.
Okay.
Mabhazi mawosina, vanachanga ma-1-1.
Alright.
So
ma-1. Thanks Baba.
Indruvenda handi. But ndatosha begi cheta sikamba yabajeshi.
Alright. By this time kana iri Monday munenge mamira sei pamari apa?
Vangu asila kwedu zvamaindi ndani kana kafaiti mari.
Okay.
Imari zvakaremawo kuti vatava 0 kuhamba.
Okay. Saka muda kuti kudii kune vanhu vari kumba nevanhu vari kudiaspora vari kuona?
Dai vakati tinoplani vatisapoti panhau yacho.
Alright. Thanks Baba. Alright. Aripo here vana akasununguka ti. Alright. Tatiri pana Rizende parenge pana Rizende. Kuona vanhu hapana vanhu vashoma going down CBD kuona kuti kamira sei. That's the situation on the ground. Hapana anything chaitika in terms of skirmishes with the police. As I said, there's a heavy police presence. Please, you can send your donations to support JCTV Africa on the number that is in the description. If you're watching this live, you'll see in the description there is a number that you can send. You can send a WhatsApp up. You can send an Echo Cash inbox just to support as we are doing this live broadcast. Doing this kind of work costs a little bit of money, and it requires dedication and commitment, and we are there to give you that. So we are here in the CBD just to give an update of what is happening. Right now, I'm now approaching Leopold Chakawira. So you can see this is what is happening. People of Zimbabwe. The situation is pretty much calm. The side of Leopold Chakawira towards Arenyatwa is still very calm as well. And also this side of the city is also still calm. Very, very calm. No skirmishes reported. This is Jethro Kenan Rusike Mtero reporting live from the CBD of Harare. It's a very cloudy day. Probably the temperatures are at around 28 degrees. It's a bit cloudy and a bit chilly. 28 degrees would be too much. I think it should be around 20 degrees. So this is the house and this is the site. So I'm going towards downtown to see if I can speak to some people. How are you?
Fine.
Good. You want to talk? Not yet. All right. Okay. You can see the town is pretty much empty. How are you, say? Magadijin. How are you? Good. Yeah, to go live, are you? The situation is normal. If they want to come to the city, any protest that we're expecting.
You're expecting protest?
Yeah, but anyway,
It's quiet.
it's quiet. It's very quiet.
Normal business is not.
Yeah, most shops are closed as well. My shops, machine Jaravara.
Yeah, so most shops are closed. Relatively quiet.
Okay. You mean kubasa mainda? Bana mainda sotoro.
Hakuna matisha.
Hakuna matishi.
Ndikuenda kubasa tori murodi. I'm on my way to.
All right. But vana vana kuenda kuchikoro.
Yeah, God, but I went there. They were not.
All right. Okay.
So what was I supposed to? I can't leave.
Okay. Location you waterfalls. All right. So that's what is happening. People, it's now getting a bit windy, but yeah, that's what is going on. A lot of people that Bandata now, they're also telling me kuti abana kuendesa vana kuchikoro because of that. Yeah, but what is your, have you been affected? Anything about you business wise, work wise, that have been affected by this? Okay.
Ideal, of course. Today it's a very critical day.
Yeah.
It's the last day of the month.
Yeah.
You need to pay up your bills to attend to certain things that call for that day.
All right.
Yeah. And if you put a loan or something of that nature, attract charges.
Yeah.
You know what it is. Skip the day.
Yeah.
Suppose if the business was operating well, then you be able to extinguish some of the debts, you're able to pay off some of the
Yeah.
true state mandate. So that's basically what I'm talking about. Real commercial business seems to have been affected.
All right.
But in terms of chaos itself,
There is no chaos.
I'm actually driving to work myself.
All right.
Although a bit late because I had to make sure the kids were safe when I came back.
Okay, then you have to take them back home. All right, okay. Any of your workmates that have said they are not coming to work because of this, have they been affected by COVID?
Certain identity such issues where, especially those who are supposed to come early, not knowing whether it has changed now, but they know public transport was not available.
All right.
They were affected to come. They were eager to come.
All right.
But look, if you are using public transport, it's not available.
Yeah. Then you have no choice
to walk from where from say
to come to town.
Most of them then going to go through town.
Yeah.
Some other areas. I work in the northern suburbs. That's where my colleagues are supposed to go.
Yeah. There is no transport. I saw the other rank. It was also empty as well.
Yeah.
So,
So I think it's fine. But I think it is free of the unknown.
Yeah.
Also, just to be safe.
Yeah.
Businesses develop.
Yeah.
You never know what can happen.
All right.
So for some of us, it's work as usual. So I'm off to.
All right. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. One of the colleagues that I was speaking. So Chicken Inn here is open. You can see, but what I've observed is most businesses that are locally owned. What I mean by indigenization are the ones that are pretty much closed because of the uncertainty, because kana waro wastoko hapana insurance inozokwanisa kuzocover. So that's what I've observed. Most of the businesses that are closed, the normal businesses like your banks, there is a CBD, FBC is open. Your POSB, your Parastate House, they are opened. I was at the Post, it's open. Your normal businesses, like the ones that are in Pick and Pay, it was open. I saw some people coming to work, but obviously the issue of public transport is a big effect. Many people, they couldn't find public transport. Now I'm on my way to Copacabana just to speak to some guys as we are giving you live updates. I think we are going to probably end the live updates very soon. We're hoping that maybe we're told that maybe with the internet shut down, but from the look of things, it looks like all is good. My internet is working. I think so all of you can hear me, you can see me. If you're having any challenges, please let me know. Yeah, right, I'm gonna go to Freedom Square very soon. Yeah, Cameron Street, Ndobanda Goenda, Wenda Bana Copacabana. I can see your comments. Right. Thank you. Right. Hans Mazimbo Anoshka. This is what other people are saying. Yes. Right. Keep the comments coming. Keep the support coming, guys. This is what is happening in Zimbabwe, the Harare CBD. Yeah. Hansi I'm having Zakuna Benzi. That's what is happening. It's very quiet. Right. This is Park Lane. This is Cameroon. Cameroon towards Copacabana. Right. Thank you to everyone that is watching. As we give you updates on what is happening in Zimbabwe. As I said, there is heavy police presence. You can see from that side, there are police that are there. On that corner, right. Okay, so pretty much I'm going to talk to a few people and then we see from there. I'm going to be hearing from Mawingi Nevamo Achitauro Kumbazao. Thank you so much for following us on this morning quick update on what is happening.
Muri yeZimbabwe ndiyo nyaya yatanga kubatira iri update yekuita follow up kurudziro yakanga yaitwa nava Blessed Bombshell Geza vachitaura ivo kuti vanhu uyai tizobatana kubvisa mutungamiriri wenyika Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa nekumacha tichiratidzira kuti hatichade kuti mupfuurire mberi nekutonga nyika ino yeZimbabwe. Asi panga pachitarisirwa kunzi vanhu vachauya vakawanda neuwandu hwavo, asi semapictures amuri kuona hakuna mamwezve anopfuura iwayaya. Zvinoratidza kuti hazvina kunge zvichibudirira sekutarisirwa kwazvanga zvakaitwa. Uyewo mushure mekunge manheru emusi wa 31 Geza vakabuda vachitaura kuti vava kumbomisa kuratidzira uku nekuti ivo vari kurongerwa yakapenga yekuti vakubhombwe mukati menyika yeHarare vozopomerwa mhosva ivo kuitira kuti vagozobatwa vaine mhosva yetreason. Asi ivo vataura kuti aiwa ndiri kuziva kuti ndo zvandiri kurongerwa, hatisi kuziva kuti ichokwadi here kana kuti zvakamira sei. Aiwa tinopa kutenda kuna Jethro Kenan Rusike anga achitenderera mastreets eHarare achitipa mapictures ekutiratidza kuti zviri paground. Kana unga usina kuona mukana ukuona update iyi ndiyo update machokwadi yemashuwa. Kune mamwe maupdates anga achiiswa aine vanhu vakazara mutauni ari mavidhiyo akamboitwa kare zvinova zvinhu zvisingatenderwe mukutapa nawo kutora zvinhu uchizviita kunge iye zvinezvi asi zvisiri izvo, asiriwo mamiriro ekunze. Aiwaka iye zvinezvi nyaya yavepo ndeyekuti vageza vambomisa kuratidzira kwavanga vakaronga panguva yesei vachitaura kuti musi wa31 March ndo kuguma kutonga kwapresident Mnangagwa. Asi hazvina kuzobuda saizvozvo. Ipo pfungwa dzako mucomment section kuti sei zvinezvi zvisina kubudirira sekufungidzirwa kwazvanga zviri kuitwa, uye zvichadzoka here zvakare, uye zvinokwanisa here kuti ive nzira yekubvisa mutungamiriri wenyika. Asi kune vanhu vanga vari muguta reHarare manga makavharwa mashopa akawanda, mashoma ndio anga akavhura, motikari dzadziri shoma, makombi achikomplainawo kuti aiwa hatina kunge tichiwana business nhasi. Uyewo dai manga murimi mapuwa mukana wekuita estimate value yemari yarasikirwa nenyika yeZimbabwe kuburikidza nekuratidzira uku kwaita kuti mabhizinesi aswera akavharwa. Dai mabhizinesi anga ari kushanda vangadai vaita mari yakawanda zvakadii. Isa pfungwa dzako mucomment section. Rega ukangama kusubscribe, kufollowa kana kulike kuti usazodarikirwa nemakuhwa atinosangana nawo pano paSly Media TV. Saka tiri kuti isusu subscribe nhasi chaiyo, bva klika notification button kuti tigoramba tichikupa nyaya dzinodaka usazovewo kupedzisira kuziva zviri kuitika. Iva wekutanga nhasi uno chaiye kusubscribe, nokuti YouTube iri kutiudza kuti vasina kusubscribe ndivo vakawanda kudarika namba yatiinayo ye338,000 ne379,000 yepafacebook. Mazviita nokuteerera kuchirongwa chino. Ngatisangane zvakare chikupai mamwe maupdates nezvimwe zvirongwa pano paSly Media TV.